morning, friends. Today, let us discuss some more problems on permutations and combinations. See, first problem is, in how many ways 10 true false questions can be answered? See, friends, there are 10 questions and options are 2, either true or false. So in how many ways these 10 questions can be answered? First question, in how many ways the first question can be answered? The first question can be answered in 2 ways. You say either true or false. So first question can be answered in 2 ways. Second question can also be answered in 2 ways. That is 2 ways. And third question 2 ways. Fourth question 2 ways. So in how many ways? All the 10 questions can be answered. All the 10 questions can be answered means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 up to 10 times. That comes to 2 power 10. 2 power 10. 2 power 10, that is equal to 1024. So this is your answer, friends. In how many ways 10 true false questions can be answered means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 up to 10 times. That comes to 2 power 10. 2 power 10 means 1024. So that is our first question, friends. Let us see one more similar question. In how many ways 3 letters can be posted in 5 post boxes? See, you have 3 letters and 5 post boxes are available in your neighborhood, in your vicinity. So in how many ways you can post these 3 letters in the available 5 post boxes? This is another similar question. See, you have 3 letters, and you have 5 post boxes in your neighborhood, in your vicinity. So in how many ways these 3 letters can be posted in the 5 post boxes? This is one more question, similar question. See, first letter can be posted in 5 ways. That is, first letter can be posted in any of the 5 post boxes. So first letter can be posted in how many ways? First letter can be posted in 5 ways. Similarly, the second letter can also be posted in 5 ways. And also the third letter can be posted in 5 ways. 5 into 5 into 5, 125 ways. So in how many ways 3 letters can be posted in 5 post boxes? That is 125. One more similar question is there. You must be familiar with that question. In how many ways 3 rings can be worn to 5 fingers? In how many ways 3 rings can be worn to 5 fingers? Same question. First ring can be worn to any of the 5 fingers, and also the second ring, and also the third ring. So 3 rings can be worn to 5 fingers. 3 rings can be worn to 5 fingers. That is 5 into 5 into 5, 125 ways. Not 5C3 or 5P3 like that, friends. Okay, this is an important problem. Okay, let us see one more problem. Here one small thing I have to tell you, friends. See, there are three questions. There are three questions, and each question has four options. Each question has four options. Here the question is, in how many ways a student can fail to answer all the questions correctly? Are you getting me, friends? In how many ways a student can fail to give correct answers to all the questions? See, in how many ways three questions can be answered? First question can be answered in four ways, because four options are there. First question, in how many ways the first question can be answered? Four ways. Four ways. And also the second question can be answered in four ways. And also the third question can be answered in four ways. Total 64 ways. This is the total number of ways. This is the total number of ways in which three questions can be answered. 64 ways. In these 64 ways, only one way is there. Only one way is there where all the questions are correct. In these 64 ways, one way is there where all questions are correct. And the remaining 63 ways, one or more questions may be wrong. So, in how many ways a student can fail to give correct answers means 64 minus 1, 63 ways. 63 ways, friends. So this is an important problem. Total number of ways 64 ways, but these 64 ways include one way where all the questions are correct. So if we subtract that one, the remaining ways can fail to give all questions correct answers. Right, friends? So this is an important problem. Let us see one more question, friends. See, an email password has to be created with 3 characters. An email password has to be created with 3 characters. One character must be a digit from 0 to 9, and one character must be any alphabet in uppercase, and the third character is any alphabet in lowercase. So in how many email passwords can be created with these conditions? So we want email passwords with 3 characters. So 3 characters. One character must be a digit. So we have all 10 digits. 0 to 9 we have 10 digits. So first blank can be filled in 10 ways. And second blank can be filled in 26 ways, because we have 26 alphabets. So, and also the third blank 26 ways. So total how many ways? 26 square 6, 7, 6, 10, 6,760. So 6,760 again these 3 characters can be internally permuted. That is possible in another 3 factorial ways. So 6,760 into 6. 6 6 is 36, 42, 45, 40,560. 40,560 ways. So this is the total number of email passwords we can make with these three characters and those conditions. Right, friends? This is an important problem, friends. Let us see one more problem, friends. See, 3 married couple three married couples went to a cinema and 6 seats are there. In how many ways? In how many ways these three couples can be seated such that, first case, spouses are seated next to each other. Spouses are seated next to each other. So, we have three couples. We have three couples. First couple and second couple and third couple. In how many ways these three couples can be seated? Under the condition, first condition is spouses must be seated next to each other. So we have three couples. Wife and husband, three couples are. So these three couples can be permuted in 3 factorial ways. These three couples can be permuted in 3 factorial ways. And again, each couple can be permuted in 2 factorial ways. This couple can be permuted in 2 factorial, this 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Of course, 2 factorial is 2. So 6 into 8, 48 ways. 48 ways. So these three couples can be seated in 48 ways, so that spouses are seated next to each other. Okay, friends. And in this problem, one more case is also there. Ladies must be seated together. So three ladies must be seated together. So let us make these three ladies into one unit. And we have three gents. So three ladies must be together. Let us make all these three ladies as one unit. And we have three gents. Total we have 4 units. So these 4 units can be permuted in 4 factorial ways. These 4 units can be permuted in 4 factorial ways into again these three ladies. Again these three ladies can be internally permuted in 3 factorial ways. So total comes to 24 into 6, 144 ways. 4 factorial into 3 factorial, that is equal to 144 ways. So total in 144 ways these three couples can be seated, so that ladies come together. Okay friends, let us see some more problems in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.